Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the third chapter of grammar, subject, verb and agreement. What are we going to study in this? Here in this we are going to study about the singular subjects as well as the plural subjects, singular verbs, plural verbs. In a sentence, the verb and the subject should agree. In the sentence, the verb as well as the subject should agree. Singular subjects agree with singular verbs and plural subjects agree with plural verbs. Just see the example. My sister is a naughty girl. So the subject my sister is singular and so the verb is also singular. The verb is what? Is. Rustam and Saurabh were Persian heroes. Rustam and Saurabh are the two persons. They are plural. So we have used the verb as plural, that is were. Were is plural. The subject is Rustam and Saurabh. They are two men. Since the subject is plural, then we take the verb also plural, that is were. Next over here, he, she, it. These are the singular subjects plus verb plus s or es. I, you, we, they are the plural subjects plus we have to use the verb. Now over here we are going to study about rules of subject, verb and agreement. What are the rules? When the subject of a sentence is composed of two or more nouns or pronouns joined by and, we use a plural verb. For example, my brothers and sisters are flying to Dubai. Now here, when the subject of a sentence is composed of two or more nouns or pronouns joined by and is a conjunction, we use the verb also plural. For example, my brothers and sister are flying to Dubai. When a phrase comes between the subject and the verb agrees with the subject and not with the noun or the pronoun in the phrase. For example, one of my friends was afraid to fly. One and was. One is a singular, so we have used was. The colors of the rainbow are beautiful. Colors is plural, so we have used the verb also plural like are. Geeta along with her friends is going to the mall. Geeta is singular, so we have used is as a singular verb. Maya as well as her friends is visiting the museum. Maya is singular and as a friends, that is Maya is singular over here, so we have used the verb is as a singular verb. When the nouns are joined by or, neither nor or either or, the verb agrees with the part of the subject that is closer to the verb. For example, Meera or her friends have the keys of the house. Meera's friends or she has the keys of the house. Just see here, Meera or her friends have. Meera's friends or she has. Neither Mani nor Radha has a pet. Either Priya or her friends are going to the fair. So I have finished the chapter over here. We go through the chapter, read it, as well as you have to write it in your notebook. All the definitions with the examples. One more thing I'll make you teach over here, that is every passenger was ready to board the plane. Yeah, everybody was shocked by the news. Everybody was. None of the children knows about the test. None knows. Each boy and girl was given a gift. Each boy and girl was. These words are used with singular verbs, so they are called as singular verbs. Each, every, everyone, everybody, none. These are your singular verbs. Singular words, and they are used with the verb singular. That is was, knows, was. These are your singular verbs. So go through the chapter again, read it, write it in your notebook. I'll give you some worksheet. You have to solve it in your notebook and be ready.